To transfer money from WorldRemit to Zelle, you need to follow a few steps. First, you need to create an account with WorldRemit if you don't already have one, and link your bank account or credit card to it. Then, you can send money to the recipient's bank account using WorldRemit. However, Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send money directly to someone's bank account using their email address or mobile number. To transfer money from WorldRemit to Zelle, you need to send the money to the recipient's bank account using WorldRemit, and then the recipient can receive the money and use Zelle to transfer it to their own bank account or to someone else. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Send money using WorldRemit by logging into your WorldRemit account, entering the amount you want to send, selecting the country and currency of the recipient, and choosing the payment method. Then enter the recipient's details, including their name and bank account information. Once you have sent the money, the recipient will receive it in their bank account within a few minutes or hours, depending on the transfer speed you chose. The recipient can then log into their Zelle account and link their bank account to it if they haven't already done so. They can then use Zelle to send the money to their own bank account or to someone else. It is worth noting that Zelle only works with bank accounts in the United States, so the recipient needs to have a U.S. bank account to receive the money. Also, some banks may have limits on the amount of money that can be transferred using Zelle, so it is a good idea to check with the recipient's bank before sending the money. In conclusion, transferring money from WorldRemit to Zelle is a two-step process that involves sending money to the recipient's bank account using WorldRemit, and then the recipient using Zelle to transfer the money to their own bank account or to someone else. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money from WorldRemit to Zelle.